Hey guys, so we're here back in Naples. A little detour before we go back to Rome. We checked out of the hotel in Sorrento and we decided to stop here in Naples and get some lunch because as we were walking by, oh my god, the smells were incredible. It smelled like fresh pepper, amazing. This is the name, Trattoria Don Vincenzo, here in Naples. And right down there, they look like they have like an authentic little hidden gem, different things to try to eat. But I want to come here because the food looked really good on the pictures and it had 1.9 thousand views. So I was like, that's something worth checking out. Trattoria Don Vincenzo. Let me show you guys a little bit of Naples. So one of the reasons why we wanted to get a full meal here in Naples is because Naples is known for having amazing food other than just pizza. Guys, here's my seafood pasta. I cannot wait to try this. And this is my son's portion. They give him like a half portion. That's a thing they'll do out here in Italy. They don't have no kids menu. You just tell them, oh, can I get a half portion of this for a kid? And that's what they do. So I'm about to try the pasta in front of you guys. Having a hard time grabbing it. It's very good. Very good, guys. Look at this. Very delicious. It's very hot. Making a mess. Very good. Hey guys, I'm checking just back with you guys. I'm almost done with my seafood pasta. It's quite a mess. And Nathaniel ordered this marinara red sauce to go with this meatball and a little bit of spicy peppers right there. And he said it's 10 out of 10. It is the best sauce he's ever had.
Best sauce I've ever had in my life.
Best sauce he's ever had in his life. No surprise there since we're in Naples. They're known for really good red sauces. Spaghettis with red sauce and peppers. It's really good out here, guys. How do you feel about that spicy peppers?
There's so much depth to the spiciness that you don't get in Mexican food. And I love Mexican food. But these peppers it's not just spiciness hitting you, it's like flavor and spiciness together.
Show it. Show it.
Oh.
No, but show the flakes.
Oh. Use almost all of it because it's good.
Look at this, guys.
It looks different too. It looks more dry. It's amazing.
It has such a unique flavor. It has, like he said, spiciness and flavor at the same time. And no surprise there because here in Naples they're known for their spicy peppers. I'm gonna show you guys some souvenirs. A lot of their souvenirs consist of the little spicy peppers. Hey guys, I wanted to mention to you all that I highly recommend that when you come to Naples, go into like one of these streets where they have a lot of shopping. You'll easily find them because they have a lot of streets. It's near the restaurant that we went to, and I noticed that a lot of the stuff out here is a lot cheaper than buying in Pompeii and also from Positano. So try to get all your souvenirs here because it's a lot cheaper. I'm going to show you guys. Look at this, so cute, this little souvenirs. I saw in Pompeii that they were like 5 euros. Look, here's 2 euros. They got some of these paintings here. And then these ones that are so cute too. 2 for 5 euros. Really cute to put in the kitchen. Look at this, like a little wine. The spicy pepper, pasta, ricotta. It's really nice. And look at this whole street, guys. Just like a long street of shopping. Look, guys, so they have clothes also for sale. 9 euros. 5 euros, 5.99. This skirt is actually really pretty. They have shirts here for 5 euros. Also in Pompeii, some of these were a lot more. Like the ones that said Napoli or Pompeii, they were like 5 euros. Over here, we can get them for 1 euro. I'm finding this stuff is a lot cheaper. €6 for these limoncellos. It's a good price. In the heart of Naples' historic district, 3 narrow streets filled with antique stores offer unique handmade souvenirs and gifts at budget-friendly prices. Hey guys, so we are here at the Spanish Steps, and these are it, the Spanish Steps. The Spanish Steps are a set of steps dating from 1723, climbing a steep slope between Piazza di Spagna and Piazza Trinita del Monte. The Fontana della Barcaccia is a Baroque-style fountain found at the foot of the Spanish Steps in Rome's Piazza di Spagna, built in 1623 to provide fresh water in the square. You can only drink from the spout at the boat on the boat. Hey guys, so the Spanish Steps is actually really cool to come to because it's a really nice area. You can take a lot of pictures, as you guys saw from the gardens. It was very pretty. They have a lot to do here. You can sit in the fountain and take a really nice picture, walking up and down the steps. I just like because it's very picturesque, very nice area to come to. So I highly recommend to come over here and take some pictures at the Spanish Steps. We are on our way to the Trevi Fountain. Can't wait to see it. Is really close to the Spanish Steps. You see the Spanish Steps, and you can walk in down until you reach the Trevi Fountain. Guys, we've made it to the Trevi Fountain. Here we are. It's packed with people, just like I suspected it would be. The Trevi Fountain is an 18th century fountain in Rome designed by Italian architect Nicola Salvi and completed by Giuseppe Panini in 1762. The Trevi Fountain is one of the oldest water sources in Rome that provided water to the Roman baths and fountains of central Rome. Hey guys, so the story with the Trevi Fountain is that if you turn around and throw a coin like this, that means that you will be returning to Rome. So if you want to return to Rome, throw your coin and you'll come back to Rome. Oh. It looks like this guy just proposed to a bride. I wanted to mention that this is a budget-friendly thing to do because it's free. Best word, free. And also, the Spanish Step was also free. So when you're here in this area, walk the whole area, go to the Spanish Steps, come to the Trevi Fountain, because all of that is free. Guys, also right in front of the Trevi Fountain, they have this Donino Gelateria, which is highly recommended because, you know, it is right across the Trevi Fountain. So come and try the gelato here because it's really good. We're gonna get one. Look at this, guys. Oh, this place is beautiful. They also have macaroons, French macaroons, and a lot of different little pastries. And remember, all across the Trevi Fountain. Hey guys, so not everything can be free now. So if you want to take some souvenirs back home, this is near the Trevi Fountain. Look at this, guys, €1. You can get a little replica of the Colosseum. or the Trevi Fountain, all for €1. I think this is really affordable to take back home, and they also have paintings for €3. This to me is very affordable. Have the magnets as well for €2, €150. This little Venice mask for €1. This place is very budget. So let me show you guys. So the Trevi Fountain is right that way. So you walk down these alleys, and here's the souvenir shop. It says I love Rome. MA Souvenirs. Check it out, guys, if you guys are here in Rome near the Trevi Fountain. Hey guys, so and if you don't know what limoncello tastes like, right next to the souvenir shop, which is near the Trevi Fountain down this way, they have this shop right here with different limoncellos, cream limoncellos, original limoncellos, and you can try a free shot, or you could decide to buy it if you want, but here's a place where you can try it for free. So another free item to do, to try your limoncello. Hey guys, so here at the Spanish Steps, there's a little plaza right here with a lot of different shops. Very pretty. Dolce & Gabbana, Chanel. I don't know why I said Chanel. Yep, so little nice area to come and hang out with the friends. They sell flowers here. Very nice area.